Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaste everyone. This sensor detects light and the darkness. Okay? See, you can read as well the dark. It has written darkness. So this sensor detects light and the darkness. I'll show you how. See here, I do have this power element. This is power element which can be connected to the wire and the battery. I'll connect this with a battery. Okay. So here is the battery. Fine. I've connected the battery with the power element. Now I'll connect this power element with the darkness sensor element, the darkness element. I connect the pins. See, it is now connected. Now I'll just connect this buzzer element. This is a buzzer element. So all these are called elements. What is it called? Element. All these are elements. And I'll connect this with buzzer element. Now buzzer element is connected. Fine. Then now I'll turn on the switch. Here is a switch. I'll turn it on. So you see a dim light here. That shows that power is received. And now see what happens. What has happened? Buzzer, no? Correct? Buzzer. See one more time. I'll do it. So what I am doing at present, here is the sensor, this one. And when I place my finger, it senses it as a darkness because light is gone for it. So it will sense as a darkness. So we have at present set it in a way, so whenever there is a darkness, it will buzz out. Whenever there is darkness, it buzzes out. Nice. I'll show one more thing to you. We'll discuss the questions. We'll discuss the questions when I finish this thing. Okay. So I have this instead of now buzzer. I have this LED element, the light element. See, there are 4 LEDs. This is LED element. Now I'll connect this LED element with our circuit. It's connected and done. Okay. Now if I put my finger, see what happens. What has happened? LEDs collect. So this is how the light detection works. Now if you have any questions, you can ask one by one. First, who has the question? Please raise your hand so I can show that. Yeah, Viplav. Yes, Viplav.
So I don't have a question, but I want to say that in some phones, like if your room is dark, then the brightness of your phone will become low, and if your room is a bit brighter, then your the brightness of your phone will become lower.
Yes, correct. Light detection sensor is very useful even in the light, when the rooms are darker. I cannot turn, the complete dark here because otherwise you won't be able to see me. But we can turn on the lights. See, we can, set up in a way that whenever the light goes away, the electric power goes away, this light will illuminate automatically. We can do that through light detection sensor. Good, Viplav.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Saloni.
Sir, can you explain me again because I didn't understand?
Okay, fine. See what happens. I'll just detach the battery and everything, so I don't, carry this with me. See, this is the first element, the power element. This is the power supply. It gives the power to all the next elements. Then here is the darkness element. Okay, here is the darkness element. Now this darkness element, if you see here, there is a component, the brown color thing. Do you see this brown color thing here?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So here is a brown color stuff. See. So this brown color stuff, it detects the light and darkness. Okay? So when we give the power supply to light and darkness, the darkness element will detect if there is light or darkness, whatever we have configured it for. Okay? If there is a darkness, turn on. What to turn on? Whatever we connect. So we connect this buzzer. This I do have this buzzer. So whatever we do, we connect. See here, if we connect is 2. Now what will happen if we give power supply here? This will, and if I put my finger just to create an imaginary darkness, okay, just to create an imaginary darkness, it will say to buzzer that yes, there is a darkness, so buzzer will be blown. Or else, if I connect this LEDs, and if I turn it dark, all the LEDs, all the lights will be blown. All the lights would be illuminated. Got it, Saloni?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Any other question? Yes, Avisha?
Sir,
Yes, Avisha, ask your question.
I have not got it.
You didn't get this. Okay. I just explained, no? Again, to make it very simple, I'll try, see what happens. It is something like this is power, okay? That is basic necessity. That is the source of energy. Without power, no electronics will work. So that should be on the side. Now this is a darkness element. It detects the darkness. So whenever there is a darkness, it will send a signal to the next. Okay, to the next. So next is the buzzer. So buzzer will start buzzing.
buzzer.
Okay. Yes, Ravi.
Sir, like darkness element, is there a light element?
So reverse of darkness is light, no?
Yes, sir.
So we can do that. See, we have this flip element. Flip.
Yes, sir.
Flip element. So it will just do the same. So now if you put flip element first and then the buzzer, it will do reverse. If there is the light, then it will buzz out.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next question, Astha. Yes, Astha, ask your question. Oh, you made this traffic signal system. Very good, Astha. Nice. Claps for Astha as well. Great. Very good. Yeah, Astha, I've seen that. Next, Navneet, you have a question? Where is Navneet? Yeah. Navneet, you can ask your question.
Sir, so whenever like the light element, so whenever you don't place your hand on the sensor And when the light is there, so the buzzer will come.
Yes, if it detects the darkness,
Hmm.
if it detects the darkness, it will illuminate.
Okay. So for the darkness one, if it detects the light, it will come.
So same, I just explained, I just answered the question to Arohi, no? See, here is a module, it is called flip. This element is called flip, right? This is flip. So flip
Yes,
means
sir.
reverse. It will just do reverse.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now,
Thank you, sir.
instead of detecting light, instead of detecting darkness, it will detect the light.